Hi everyone, this is going to be the reading for Cancer for the month of May 2024. This can apply if you have a Cancer rising, Moon, Sun, Venus, Mars, as well as North Node. Do keep in mind this is a general reading, so take whatever resonates and leave out the rest. Also, if you'd like to book a reading with me, you can drop me an email. The link is in the description box below. So let's get started, Cancer. I'm going to pull out a couple of more cards and then start the reading. So I'll show you the cards that I got. I have the Knight of Pentacles in reverse. I have the Knight of Cups. I have the Two of Pentacles. I have the Seven of Cups in reverse. And I have the Ace of Pentacles in reverse. Okay, so Cancer, I feel like you're really multitasking a lot this month. Like, to the max. I feel like a lot of you are taking on way more than, like, you're biting off more than you can chew. And I say that because I got the Two of Pentacles. So you're juggling a lot of things this month, but that's actually good. Usually this card has sort of a negative connotation, like maybe you're taking more than you can handle, but I feel like you can handle it, Cancer. I feel like you're doing good. You actually want the challenge this month. You actually want to step up and see how much you can push yourself. I mean, a lot of things, a lot of the times, what people don't get about Cancer is that yes, they are mushy, yes, they're soft, this, they're, all of that, the stereotypes associated with Cancer, but they are a cardinal sign. So once they decide to do something, they are going to do it no matter what. You can't stop them. So this month is all about taking on more things for you and like basically maxing out your time in the day. That's what I feel like. Sorry, that's what I feel like a lot of you are doing. I am seeing the Knight of Cups. This is pretty positive. This is maybe like a new job opportunity, or this could be like the start of a new relationship, possibly. But it's definitely blossoming into something. This is a positive vibe. I do feel like it may not seem like a really big deal. It may seem like a very small opportunity or like a not a very grand thing, but don't dismiss it because you never know what it can give rise to. So pay attention to something like that if it's coming your way. But yeah, a lot of good things coming your way. I am seeing the Knight of Pentacles coming up as a reversal, and to me this feels like maybe maybe when it comes to money matters, you're not really maximizing your opportunities. That's what I feel. Because, I'm getting the Knight of Pentacles and I'm getting the Ace of Pentacles as well, and both have come up as a reversal. So, because Pentacles have to do with money, I feel like a lot of you may be not paying attention to it or maybe disregarding any kind of money making opportunities as not so great, and so maybe dismissing it. But I would suggest not to do that because, again, like I said, the Knight of Cups is showing up in your reading. So if this is a new job, maybe like a side job, or if this is a new opportunity to get in money, don't disregard it, Cancer. Don't think like it's too small, it's not worth your time, because it could be, right? So pay attention to that as well. Um, I am seeing the Seven of Cups in this reading. It's coming up as a reversal. That's good actually, because the Seven of Cups in the upright position is about choices, but it's also about confusing choices. Like when you have too many choices in front of you, it can be a little bit overwhelming. Also, it can require a lot of discernment to figure out what path you should take or what's your correct choice, right? I feel like this month of May is taking away a lot of that guesswork out of your life. You've become more clear about what exactly you want. So even though you are taking a lot on your plate right now, the Two of Pentacles, I still feel like it's something that you can handle, and it's also something that you're very clear about that you actually want to pursue. Um, so that's a good thing. Like you're not in a dilemma anymore. You don't have any confusion as to what choices you need to make in your life this month. It's very clear, and so you're charging headlong into it and just taking on more things and more challenges, which is good. You're basically being busy this month. I'm seeing the King of Cups, Scorpio energy. Could be a new love interest in your life, or it could be a father figure, or it could be just somebody in your life who has that kind of influence over you. Somebody who's very who has high emotional intelligence, who's very self assured, very confident, who can balance their emotions and practical side very well. Maybe this person is coming into your life to teach you something. Um, and I would definitely, if I were you, I would definitely step back and learn from them because they do have a lot of valuable things to teach you, Cancer. Could be a love interest as well. Like Cancer, you do very well with other water signs, especially Scorpio. So this could be a love interest as well. This could be somebody new in your life. Doesn't have to be a Scorpio sun. They could just have a lot of Scorpio energy in their chart. So it could be a Scorpio moon, Venus, Mars, or just a very Plutonian person as well, you know. So it doesn't always have to be like a Scorpio person. So I do see like a new love interest in your life. Let's see. I'm getting the Two of Wands coming up as a reversal, and I'm getting the Chariot as a reversal. Chariot is your card, Cancer. The Two of Wands in the upright position is about making wise choices. It's about exploring, but also being very cautious about risks involved. So it's not about being impulsive at all. But because this card is coming up as a reversal, I do feel like some of you may be a little bit impulsive when it comes to making these decisions. And that's not necessarily a bad thing, Cancer. A lot of the times we pay so much attention to being, very cautious, very risk averse, and weighing out the pros and cons. But in this situation, I feel like Cancer, you're doing fine. Like if you are very clear about what you want to do, and if you're taking on a lot of things in your life, that's fine. I mean, uh, not everything requires an extremely measured, well thought out process, right? So it's fine. Um, I'm seeing the Chariot though coming up as a reversal, and Chariot is you. That's your energy. And it's about balancing your masculine feminine energies. Now, when I say masculine feminine, I don't mean gender, I mean like the energy, because masculine is very like going after what you want and let's do this. It's like seize the day kind of energy. Whereas feminine energy is very receptive, it's laid back, it's passive, it allows things to come to them. And the Chariot is very much about balancing these two energies and still moving forward. Now, because this is coming up as a reversal, I feel like you're not in that mode right now. I feel like you're in go mode. You are in your masculine mode this month, where you are all about taking on new things. But again, it's not without direction. Like you do have some kind of strategy in place. Like you do know where you're going. You're not just mindlessly taking on things just to prove a point. Like you definitely know why you're doing it, and there's a purpose to it. Basically, you do have some goals that you want to achieve, and so even if your day is packed, you're fine with it because you know that it's going to get you your goals. So that's fine. I don't see anything like overly challenging coming out of these cards. I think you're doing good. I think you're fine. Just keep at it. Keep busy. Don't stretch yourself out to the max, though. I mean, if you're feeling exhausted, take a break. But if you feel like you want to take charge and go ahead and go after everything that you want, definitely do that. Yeah, I'm getting the Six of Wands. That's the energy of victory. That's the energy of coming back from the battle victorious. That's your energy. I feel like this month you are in go mode. Like I said, you're very much in your masculine energy. You just very much in your cardinal energy. Like just go at it. Probably you have a task list throughout the day and you want to like check it off as you go along. So yeah, you're very busy. You just have a lot of things on your plate. You just after your goals, you're making things happen, which is good. I feel like it's healthy for you to be in that space, because sometimes you can get into that very nostalgic energy, and that's not always good for you. Yeah, so Six of Wands is definitely good, very positive. I feel like the month is closing out for you at a very good note. You're definitely achieving a lot of your goals that you've planned for this month. So that's what I have for you, Cancer. If you like this reading, do give it a thumbs up. Do like, share, and subscribe. And if you'd like to book a reading with me, definitely drop me an email. The link is in the description box. And I'll see you soon. Bye bye.